Hey there, welcome back to Northlight Photographic Workshops. I'm Bill Schwab and I'm here in the snowy north. Yeah, it's March 30th. Can you believe this? This is what happens up here when you live up in the northern woods. It is gorgeous though, and I've got to go fly. So what I'm going to do is just a quick little video of taking you around. I do this thing that I call DronoCross, where I fly the drone through my woods and, you know, put myself into obstacles. I don't go real fast or anything like that, so don't think I'm going to be flying around my woods or anything like that. But it's just so beautiful that I thought we'd go drive around inside of the woods here and see if I can't get myself into some trouble with this thing. So let me get it set up here, and I'll take you up in the air. Yeah, it's really, you know, it's not super cold, but it was enough that it rained for a couple of days, and we're kind of up here in high ground, and the wind going through the trees is much colder than on the ground, so the ice was hanging in the trees, and then it started snowing again. It's a couple inches on the ground, new stuff. So I refuse to plow. I'm just going to let it melt, and that's my story, and I'm sticking to it. So anyway, the drone is ready to rock here. Let's see. I'm gonna get that ready to go. Get it on video. Starting a video. So let's see. Let's go up in the air. So what I do with this is you know, I try just to fly my way through video. So what I'm going to do is just take you on down the driveway here. You should be seeing on the video right now. There we are. Okay, that's my driveway. I'm going to elevate a little bit. Let's go. Be safe, little drone. I've actually got spatial warning on this, so it's not gonna really let me hit anything, I don't think. But let's see. This is my driveway I'm taking you down right now, and this is this here is my wet plate trailer, of which I am very excited to get back into using. You know, you've seen some of my videos on that right now. In fact, I'll link one up here right now. But yeah, I'll be getting that out on the road more, and we'll go out this summer and take some more wet plate journeys. All right, here we go, further down the drive. Now I've got to be careful because my property elevates as we go. Now the thing is, a lot of branches are down too. You know, unfortunately, the water and the ice on the trees has been making for some brittle trees. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm taking you up to the road. The driveway was some serious muddy over the last few days. So where we are, there's my box for the UPS guy. And there we are. We're out up by the road. It's a good way for me to check and see what the conditions are like. Yeah, it looks pretty snowy on the road too. Let's look the other way. It's telling me I've got a weak GPS signal there. Yeah, that was the old mailbox. I want to be sure I get high enough in case a car comes by, it goes under me. Let's go down the road a little ways and see where we can get. Let's get up above the trees. Woohoo! Look at that. Look at all the ice in the trees. Let's pan down a minute. Way cool. You can see out in the distance there, beyond, looks like a hill going down, or like I've got my horizon crooked. It's actually, that's the shoreline there, and that's Lake Michigan out beyond that. You can see it's all still pretty much covered in ice out there. Yeah, March 30th. Anyway, let's look back around here, look back over my property. There it is, all in ice. Let's go back over it for a ways. I don't know if you can hear the trees crackling around me. I think I see the workshop down there. There it is. Yeah, I can hear me above me now. Okay, so that's the workshop. That's where I bring you all the videos, the workshop videos that I've been doing. It's down in that little building. You can see me up there, down there, I think. Wow, it's beautiful. All right, so let's see. Let's look back up. Let's look back out over the property. Now, of course, this isn't all mine. Let's see what I'm going to do. I'm going to take you back up to the road. Wind's picking up. I'm going to take you back up to the road. And, ooh, I'm getting hit with ice. Here we go. Let's go back up to the road. That's my nearest neighbor over there. All right, so let's get some situational awareness first and look down the road and make sure I'm not going to drop into any kind of traffic. I don't think I am. Nope, nobody down that way. And nobody that way, so let's drop it. Oops, there's some trees there, so let's be careful. Before I get down too low, let's check and see where my driveway is. It's looking snowy out there. Okay, there's my mailbox. And let's enter the driveway. We'll drop down a little lower. There we go. All right, so on the way back in, I think what I'm going to do is take you by the old cabin where the very first photo stock happened. See if I can get there. I still got pretty good battery. All right, so that new driveway to the left is where the house is built. And when I say new, that was 20 years ago. I blew that through there. But this here is the old driveway. Now, this will be a little more dicey to get down, which is going to be good. All right. I'm getting all kinds of warnings because of branches and things that are down. But this is DronoCross. It's fun to do. Summertime, it's really fun to do. I'll go way back in my woods and try to get lost and find my way back, you know, on one battery. And it's okay because if I lose it or if it drops down, if it drops down or I run out of battery, I've always got GPS on it so I can wander back in there and find it. So here we go. Yeah, these branches are very much weighted down by ice. It's fun, isn't it? Finding our way. Oh, it's not going to let me go above that. Let's drop down. All right, here we go. There it is, the old A-frame. I built that all by myself back in 1995. It was kind of my my Thoreau project, you know. I wanted to do my own Walden Woods thing. And I did. Had an old generator, a Honda generator that my dad gave me that I was able to run the saws off. And so anyway, yeah, there's the old A-frame, which unfortunately right now I'm kind of using as a storage bin. But that's it. Let's take you back over here and see the house back in there. All right, I'm going around the building there. All right, I'm starting to hear it. All right. Had a big windstorm earlier this year and lost a couple of trees back in there. I've got to clear up that old trail. All right, let's see now. How am I going to get back? This is the fun part. Yeah, not going to let me go that way. Let's try this way. All right, cool. Let's go back through here. Yeah. It's kind of hard to see some of the branches because of the white on white. There we go. All right. Look at that, we found our way through. Still got a little bit of battery left. Let's come on over and there I am. There's Curtis. Hey, here I am. All right, so let's do this. Still got a little bit of battery left. Let's head back into the car here. See my tracks from. Should go over there and warm it up. I'm going to be heading into town pretty soon. There it is. All right. Battery's getting low. Time to bring it back. See if I can put it down right on the right on my landing pad, which is the carrying case for my old my Phantom, which I haven't been flying much lately since I've got this this Mavic. It's a lot of fun, easy to travel with. All right, here's my landing pad. Look down, see where we are. All right. Did it. Woohoo! Well, hey, just a little bit of fun for a Thursday morning, Thursday afternoon in the snowy North Woods. Thanks for watching. Hope you had some fun. Give me a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe, hit the bell. Take care. Bye.